Hey y'all, welcome to your newest listing, 3494 Limesprings Lane here in Whitestown, Zionsville, Indiana. Let's go take a look, come on. Here we are in the kitchen area. One thing you're going to notice throughout this property are upgrades throughout it. It's no different than here in the kitchen area. A couple things specific to this kitchen. We have stainless steel appliances that make it glow really nicely. We have brand new granite countertops, freshly installed. We have brand new kitchen faucet. This window was cut out wider to give it a bigger bar top for entertainment. Check it out. Here we're in the primary bedroom. Some upgrades you're going to see throughout this property. This property has been completely repainted head to toe. In this specific room, brand new overhead fan, which is glorious, really nice. The wainscoting I really appreciate in this room as well. This bathroom in the master has been totally redone. It has a great walk-in closet. Check those out. Here we are outside on the back deck area. This is no different. I think somebody's just gonna love this deck area. Not everyone in this neighborhood has it. It's completely finished. Check it out.